Easy texting with HubSpot integration creates unlimited potential for SMS messaging, all at the power of your fingertips. Easy texting is the #1 trusted choice of over 160,000 customers with more than 5 billion messages successfully sent. In less than 5 minutes, start messaging one person or thousands, all with the instantaneous click of a button. Integrating your Easy Texting account with HubSpot allows you to easily create automated text workflows based on specific contact criteria or actions. Improve productivity and save time by making customer communications more convenient and efficient. Reach customers faster by building a nurturing relationship through the power of text marketing. And easily set up in just a few clicks and create custom workflows without the need for a developer. With HubSpot Timeline Events, you can easily generate new leads by creating a one-time welcome text or start a new ongoing campaign. Quickly create confirmations and reminder texts for appointments so none of your contacts are ever left in the dark. Make sales meetings and webinars more engaging by creating workflows for invitation and reminder texts.
And view conversation history, both inbound and outbound, with the new Timeline Contact Record.
And so much more. With Easy Texting, you can elevate internal communications, manually send or automate real-time notifications when shift needs, inclement weather, or other unforeseen circumstances arise. Automated reminder texts help contacts stay up to date on relevant news and events, while recruiting is made easier with interview reminders and follow-up surveys.
But notifications, reminders, and alerts from anywhere is just the start.
Providing custom plans and solutions, Easy Texting's scalable communications platform is valued by small and large businesses alike. Experience the power of SMS and take your communication strategy to the next level with Easy Texting.